a great choice today with the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500.
The Chevy Silverado 1500 is the perfect combination of functionality, reliability, and technology. The impressive interior is simply another reason that the Chevy Silverado is a top choice among truck buyers.
This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, remote engine start, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, universal garage door opener, center armrest, power door locks, fog lights, security system, power windows, rear window defroster, compass, heated steering wheel, leather package. Your new ride is just a phone call away.